this video, we're going to show you how to replace the oil pressure switch on your INFINITI G35. Undo the connector for the pressure sensor. There's going to be a little tab on the top of this connector. Push that down and pull straight up. And then we'll remove the connector using a pair of right angle pliers and a small pick. And remove the connector. To remove the old pressure switch, I'm going to use a pair of channel locks and remove it out of the oil cooler assembly. Make sure you have a drain bucket under you. Before you remove this, a little bit of oil will come out. And remove it from the car. Install the new switch by hand. And get it finger tight. Torque this sensor to 11 foot-pounds. If you can't get a torque wrench in there, do the best you can. Install the connector onto the pressure sensor. Push until you hear it click. Try and push up, make sure it's really locked in. If you lost oil while doing the pressure switch, pull the dipstick and make sure your oil is still at the top. If it's not, take the oil cap off and add some oil, and then go ahead and recheck it with your dipstick. Once you're done, put the dipstick back.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.